I just got out of yoga. It is Tuesday. It's after the weekend. I just worked 3 12-hour shifts in a row, night shifts, so I feel like I have a nurse hangover. Somebody told me, I heard that term over the weekend, nurse hangover, and it's after you work 3 shifts in a row, 3 or more shifts in a row, 3 12-hour shifts, and especially night shifts. Like, I feel hungover. That's horrible. So I tried to go to yoga to kind of get my blood flowing and get flushed. I need to drink a lot of water today and just relax. So we are actually going to my mom's house, and my sister-in-law is in town. She's not my sister-in-law yet, but I call her that because they've been together like 7 years, and her and my brother, she's family. So we're going to see her, and we're gonna go to the beach, and I'm so excited because I haven't been to the beach, like a full beach day, probably since the fall. So it's been months, like swimsuit beach day. So I'm checking Aubrey out of school. I'm gonna go get my nails done, checking Aubrey out of school, and then we're gonna go to the beach with my mom and Heather. So I will bring you guys along. But I'm really tired, like really tired. Yoga helped, but I'm still exhausted. I love that color, so pretty. Alright, I just finished my nails. They kind of look the same, just neutral, because I have to keep them neutral for work. And my toes, I got red. So cute. Also, I'm really wanting to cut my hair, so don't be surprised if it's short soon. I just, like, once it gets to this length, this always happens. Like, once it's healthy and to this length, I just, like, can't handle it. I don't style my hair every day. It's like a lot, and it's so long. And shorter would just be easier to style, quicker, easier to wash, better for swimming in the ocean like every day, which was what I'm gonna be doing soon. So yeah, hair might be gone soon. There's hair everywhere. It wouldn't be shorter than shoulders, but I'm getting ready. Like, I've never gone this short, but I kind of want to. I actually did in high school, like, one time went this short, and it was great. And you know what? It grows back, so fine. Let's go get Aubrey. And hopefully we can go to the beach because it's looking kind of cloudy. So we will see.
I need water.
Who took your band-aids off?
I did.
It looks good.
I know.
Did you look at it? It's like gone.
I didn't even.
Good. It looks almost healed.
Yeah.
What do you need? Water? I don't have any. Did you have some
Well, good
left?
thing. I have some right here.
Oh, good thing. Alright, so we still have to go home because I haven't even been home yet. I went to yoga and then got my nails done.
Can we play a song?
Yes.
It's raining tacos.
Again? Okay. It's raining tacos. Dun. Bring in your lunchbox. Oh, box down. Dun 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 dun. What? Okay. Whichever one you want. I'd like you to eat an apple instead, though. Not Timmy. Not Timmy. Do you want it cut up or whole?
Oh, look at Timmy.
Cut up or whole?
Where's Timmy? I found you.
Oh, this is wrong.
I found Timmy. He's so cute.
Okay, do you want
Hello, my name is Aubrey.
Do you want cut up or whole?
Cut up. Oh, there's Timmy. Oh, I'm sorry. Just my mom's talking about a pet apple. Do you like this Oreo?
Dun dun dun. Okay, we're not gonna do that the entire time. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, so cold.
What time are we going?
Whenever we're done eating and getting our swimsuit.
That looks very clean.
I'm gonna move this. I know, it kind of looks weird, huh? Can we throw these away? Yeah. Okay, well then we're gonna throw them in your room.
I'm using them upstairs.
Hmm?
I'm using them.
For what?
For a product.
Okay, swimsuits. So I have to sneak up here quick because I went to Marshall's and I got Aubrey a surprise, and I'm gonna do a scavenger hunt tomorrow morning before school. She's been asking for a scavenger hunt for a few weeks now, and yeah, so I'm just gonna do a few sticky notes, have them lead to this gift. So I had to hide this gift real quick. I got her this little macaroon lip balm. She's in love with Hello Kitty. And this little doggy hairbrush. So cute. Okay, I gotta go.
When he was opening the door, it was like really loud.
Like creak.
But louder.
But louder.
Yeah, and the high, and it's like more high pitched. How many more minutes?
I think 4,
Yay.
probably. 2, 4, 6, 8. Who do we appreciate?
The even numbers.
All right.
21, 23, 25, 27, 29,
Oh.
41. We got 30. I'm tired.
I feel you. I think it's
My belly anymore.
really from those Oreos, probably.
Like stuffed.
Yeah. You did eat a lot. A lot of Oreos. These houses look so cute. We could live here.
Yeah.
But then we're so far from your school and your friends. So I think we should stay where we are.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm tired too. Let's take a nap.
What's your favorite dog?
Dog? Favorite breed?
Yeah.
Probably husky. Because they look like wolves. I know you like chihuahuas. But chihuahuas can bark a lot.
Well, they're so tiny and cute.
I know, but they're also barky and bossy. What about a pug?
Guess what? I saw on a video that the little tiny, it was a baby chihuahua and it didn't even bark at all.
Well, maybe some of them don't bark.
Well, that one didn't bark, it was a tiny one.
Mm-hmm. Old car. Going barefoot?
Yeah.
Come on.
Look.
You go first.
Look.
Like this. And talk to it.
Hi. So we're at my Nana's house, and we're just waiting for my grandma to get back.
From the store.
Yeah.
And here's Patty Laddie.
And here's Katniss. So we're just waiting for her to come back, and my aunt is sleeping in the house,
Yeah, she's
tired,
she's a doctor and
she works all the time. And she is a nurse.
Mm-hmm.
And she's my mom.
Yeah. You want to set it up here so you don't have to put it?
No.
Yeah, perfect.
And we're just waiting for her to come back. And Katniss is eating something off of the floor.
Typical.
I don't know why. So yeah.
So yeah, that's about it. We were gonna go to the beach, but it's kind of cloudy.
We're gonna go to the beach soon. Just when she's on the back and when my aunt wakes up.
What are you eating?
What are you eating, Kenny?
Can I take a nap too?
Okay, so how do I stop it?
You just push that top button.